Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to change your app language on Google Gemini. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to settings. After that scroll down until you find apps. Click on it, and after that type Gemini. Click on it, and as you can see the language is set now to English, and I will show you the Gemini app. So the language on the app now is English, and I will go here and change it to Arabic. And let's close Gemini and open it again. And as you can see, the language of Google Gemini changed to Arabic. So I hope that you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video